Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and DXY is flying. Right now trading at 100.94. The previous resistance on DXY was 100.50 to 100.80. If you trade on any USD pair, then knowing the important levels of DXY, knowing the body language of DXY is extremely important, because DXY or US dollar plays a huge role, very important role in the market. So that's why we are discussing DXY. So DXY is flying. As a result, we could see pressure on the chart of Euro USD. As I said, that if DXY breaks this level of 100.50 to 80, then we do not have any proper resistance on the chart of DXY. The next big resistance on DXY chart is around 102.50 to 103 level. So this is the next big resistance for DXY. So there's a possibility that the uptrend, the up move on DXY will continue, and it will be heading towards this level of 102.50. If the same bullishness continues on DXY, then obviously Euro USD, our beloved Euro USD, will be under pressure. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Sorry, this is Euro NZD. Euro USD, yes. The current market price is 1.0770. Okay, this is the current market price of Euro USD here. And this was a previous price rejection level. So right now, almost Euro USD trying to take support in this level. But considering the bullishness on the chart of DXY, there is a possibility that Euro USD will break the level of 1.0770 and go down. As this was the previous price rejection level, therefore Euro USD may try to take support here. If you're a scalper for day trading purpose, you can hope for some kind of reversal or some kind of bounce from here. Okay, but considering all the factors here, considering the bullishness on DXY and the weakness on Euro USD chart, I don't think so that we are going to have a strong trend reversal right now on the chart of Euro USD, simply on the basis of this level. Okay, because we do not have any fundamental factors also coming up today, okay, that may drive the market. In case we see a news in the market that drives or that will drag DXY towards the downside, then we may see some upside on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, but that will be just a recovery, not a complete trend reversal. Trend reversal is a different chapter, my dear friends. Always keep in mind, for a trend reversal we need a V pattern. Okay, and considering the overall weakness and all the factors on Euro USD, I don't think so that we are going to have a V pattern on the chart yet. So if DXY reverses or if DXY witnesses some sort of temporary selling, then you can expect the market to go up and you can go for a buy. Okay, but keep in mind that the up move on the Euro USD will not be a huge one. Okay, and most importantly, overall market is very much towards the downside, and it looks like that the up move on DXY will continue, and there is a good possibility that Euro USD will break the level of 1.0770. So if Euro USD breaks the level and starts going down, then obviously you can take a sell position as well. Okay. Do we have any important support on the chart of Euro USD? Yes, we do have some important support, but I don't think so this level will be able to hold it. Okay, the next important support is around 1.0650. So there is a room for around 100 pips, you can say. Okay, if euro USD breaks the present support level, there is a possibility of another 100 pips downside. Okay, so overall, let's wait and watch. Euro US is very much weak. If DXY shows some kind of correction, okay, then we may see euro USD may recover, then you can go for buy. But if DXY starts or continues the up move, then obviously euro USD will break and you can go for sell as well. Whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. And in this market condition, best of the best trade setups fail. Okay, so risk management is extremely important because nobody is above the market. You must understand. And that's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya.